What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canario again. We're coming up with another tutorial in Java. We're going to be talking about tonight about arithmetic operators. I think that's how you pronounce it, right? I don't know. Could be. My English is wrong. But anyway, so we're going to do some addition, subtractions, multiplications, division, some modulus operators, and more fun stuff. Like, well, let's start. Let's use an int. Let's give it a number. A equals, what is it, 10. We get another int. We're going to do a b equals to 5. And then we got int total equals to 0. And then we got total equals a plus b, right? So, and we got this a plus b, 10 plus 5, right? So let's print that system that out print line, and we got total, ending a semicolon, and let's execute this, or let's run it, like whatever you want to call it, and it gives you a number 15, right? 10 plus 5 is 15. If you want to do subtraction, it should give you a 5, right? Let's do that. It gives you 5. Now if you want to do a multiplication, you can do multiplication too. It gives you 50, right? Now if you want to do a division, she give you 2. Yeah, it's right here. It's a 2. Cool beans. Now if you want to do, let's use the modulus operator, right? Let's do this. Let's do a 7 right here. So what would be the answers in the modulus operators right here? So how many times 7 goes into 10? Only goes 1. And how many remaining do we have? 3. So in a modulus operator, it should give us a number 3 as an answer when we print this. Let's run it. Yeah, it gave us a 3. Right? Can you imagine how much the computer can do for you? If you just kind of write some program, tell it what to do, it will just give you the answer what you need. Right? Now, so how do we increment this? If you want to increment, for example, and hey, a equals 1, right? So if you want to increment this, for example, if you want to add or increment equals to a plus 1, right? What would be the answer of a right here? What would it be? Would it be a 2? We got number 2. That's an answer right there. But there is an easy way to do this. A plus plus, it should give you the same answer. Let's clear up the answer right there. Let's run it. So give you a 2, right? And that's what you do if you want to decrement. It should work too. Should give you a 0, right? Now if you want to If you're gonna multiply or something, multiplication, you just do, and then you do a 1. It should multiply. It should be a 1. Yeah. Right? That's cool beans. So you can just do divisions. You can just do just pretty much anything. Now, this is the thing. Let's look into casting a little bit. Um, Casting. Let's do a sim equals to 4. Another integer, b equals to, what do we do? Let's do 7, right? Let's do a total. We're going back to our same example as before. A plus b, but we're not doing the plus b. We're doing a division right now. So if you do a division right now, or missing a semicolon right there, if you run this program, it's going to give you a 0, right? But what happens? What happens? Like, you know, if you do a casting, if you changes int double, if you do one of the values as a double, and then oh, okay, it should give you an answer. Oh, nice. See, what you have to do basically, this is called casting. So if you just do a int right here, it wouldn't work. See, it just gives you the little line that is red is saying that it's not working. Oh, my kitty is like trying to get out of my room. I don't know if you can hear it. He's meowing. You know, it's basically it will tell me that it will not work. See? Line 10. It's because it does, even if you change it right here, it will make this number to be decimal, but it wouldn't change anything right here because it still will give you an integer. So if you change that as a double, if I can't spell it right, like we did before, automatically will work. Cool. So that was everything about arithmetic operators. It was just kind of simple thing. You know, hopefully you guys learned a little bit from this tutorial. So we're going to see on the next tutorial. And all right, have a good night and like the video, subscribe, share it. And yeah, we need to have more subscribers. Thank you. Bye. Have a good night. Bye.